Guys, like we said in yesterday's video, the short squeeze of Bitcoin is not over yet. And afterwards we got a nice increase in the price of Bitcoin. But now is going to be the $1,000,000 question, of course. Is the short squeeze over? What can we expect with Bitcoin in the not so distant future? What is basically going to happen? Guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Of course, guys, before we are jumping into the Bitcoin price, I got some news to share. First of all, I want to let you know that we are listening very carefully to the community. This is a tweet that I posted out yesterday. If anybody would like to see the Bitcoin and Ethereum ticker over on the website, but this is some feedback, guys, I'm already getting from you guys for several weeks, and we've been working already on this. We were already working on implementing this, and today will be that update, guys. Today we will get the price ticker, which is a live price ticker. This price will even be updated more faster than the site of CoinMarketCap. So this is a live ticker, and here we have a chart where we can see as well what's going on with the price. And of course, this is for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is not a trading view chart, so of course it is very important if you look at a trading view chart, but just for a quick view what's happening with the price, it's nice to have a price chart right here. And soon, guys, there will be more updates on Will Portal. Make this platform even better to use for you, and gives you a better grip on the markets. And I think it's just, this is just amazing. And we are making big steps, and it's helping a lot of people. And we are seeing the amount of users significantly grow, guys. And I just love to see that. If you have any remarks, if you have any feedback, go to us on Twitter, tweet something out to us, throw us some comments. I will read that. If you would like to see any chart, or if you like to see some adjustments, if you have any feedback, just share it over. Much appreciated, guys. Let me make that microphone a little bit higher. Okay, now let's go to Bitcoin. And right here, what do we see? We have Bitcoin going up right here in a kind of megaphone structure. If we look at Will Portal, then we have the funding rates. Let me refresh this page. We have the funding rates right now slightly negative, which is actually a very good sign for the bulls. That means that we might get some new fuel for the price of Bitcoin to go back up. However, I do think we do have to watch the structure quite closely, because the funding rates are not extremely negative, but it looks like the majority right now is shorting. And yeah, most of the time when the majority is shorting, the downside is just limited. So it is not so likely to get a breakdown or test this support level right here when we have a average funding fee which is a negative. What we do have some bearish divergences, so the price goes up right here. We got the relative strength index coming down, but this doesn't necessarily have to be bearish, because when the market actually is quite bullish, we do sometimes see something like this, where we form a declining resistance over on the relative strength index. Basically, the relative strength index is creating space for bullish momentum, so it's coming down right here, and while the price is moving sideways or upwards, and then we can break out to the upside, and the price can again thrive and go to the upside. So, guys, this is basically the pattern that I'm watching, this megaphone pattern. The support right now is horizontal support at, let's say, at roughly 20,680. If we lose this level decisively, I think we could definitely see Bitcoin going to go to lower levels. The first level to watch is 20,380 right here, and a major support level is going to be 19.5k. I think in the future, guys, doesn't matter what Bitcoin does in the shorter term time frame, we will get to this point to retest this level. I think this is a very significant level, and most likely we will test that at some point in the future. Then, guys, the pattern to the upside. We have a triangle formation right now on Bitcoin, and the resistance is at roughly 20,800. So if we do see a nice break right here to the upside, and we see a nice break in the relative strength index on the 1 hour or 30-minute time frame, then I think we can see some continuational move to the upside. However, I want to be careful right here, guys, because we are seeing these bearish divergences, right? But like I said, they don't need to be bearish unless we are breaking some significant support. We did got a signal over on Will Portal. That was this signal. The premium index flashed right here at the 26th of October at 11 o'clock in the evening. And let me go right here. That was exactly this. And this is also, guys, showing so much significance in my opinion. It can be, like we have explained in that tutorial video, it can be a short-term indicator, it can be a reversal indicator, right? So it flashed at this exact candle right here. Afterwards, we saw a reversal, right? A short-term reversal. Bitcoin dropped over 1.5%. Let me calculate that. We dropped roughly 1.8% after we got that signal. I think that's quite significant, and of course that can also mean that we are busy with a reversal eventually. However, this is not a confirmation because we haven't broken any support, we haven't broken that structure right now. So as of now, it looks like Bitcoin is still going to continue to push upwards, especially with average funding fee, which is negative. But here you can already see the significance. We get a reading, and the next coming hours we actually get a over 1.5% correction to the downside. So I think it is a great indicator, especially short term, but also we have seen in the past it has predicted a lot of longer shifts in the trend, so a lot of reversals, which is just very important. Then I want to go with you guys to some different charts. That is the S&P 500. Let's do that one first. We touched the resistance. I think this is going to be an important level for the S&P 500, or important moment basically. The RSI retraced farther than the price. The price is at this high, and if we have a look at the RSI, then the RSI is already surpassed this high. So we are seeing the RSI surpassing the price. That is something interesting because that most of the time shows us that this move is a retractive move from this move, so that we can see a bounce. I don't know how high that bounce can be, but that this move in hindsight is a retracement. One of the characteristics is that the relative strength index is retracing farther than the price. So far we got rejected from the resistance level that I pointed out before, roughly at 3,890. Slightly below 4,000, of course. I'm really curious how this is going to play out. If we lose some support levels right here and things are looking more bearish, of course, the same will count for Bitcoin. I think if we can break above this resistance level, we definitely can see another push to the upside, which will bring Bitcoin also back up. So I think it's just very important to watch the S&P 500 right now. Don't forget, we still have a gap below us. That gap most likely will get filled. So even though you missed Bitcoin to the upside right now, or the S&P 500, I believe we're still going down in the not so distant future, although Bitcoin is looking very bullish right now. Then guys, let's go to the Dixie. Dixie has seen a breakdown. This was very beautiful because the moment it broke down, I directly shared a video over on YouTube. Bitcoin will go up right now due to the fact that the Dixie is breaking down. That was right before the rally in Bitcoin. So that was just a very nice signal. If you want to make sure you get all of these signals, make sure to put the bell notification on so you get notified whenever I upload a short video or whatsoever, or upload a community post, and make sure to follow Will Portal over on Twitter. If we go to the shorter term time frame, let's have a look what we can see right here. We might see some change in direction, some small term bounce because of a bullish divergence. That is possible. We also touching quite an important level right here. That is the let me zoom out a little bit how that exactly looks on a weekly time frame. We have a declining channel right here, and we broke out of that channel, and right now we are testing basically the former resistance of that channel, and it would make sense, maybe we still can go a little bit lower. It would make sense to eventually get a bounce, at least short term, from these levels, which of course will interact with Bitcoin as well. Then we have this chart. This is the US dollar Tether market dominance chart. It has a breakdown that is actually quite bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. Shows us that that the market cap of US dollar Tether is getting lesser in comparison to the whole market cap of crypto, which basically means that US dollar Tether is entering crypto projects, and of course it is mostly entering Bitcoin. So this is actually quite good. We have a massive support, but that's way below us. If we really were to get there, we can see massive rallies in crypto. So this is not a bullish sign, but however, short term I would be still slightly cautious. I think it's actually quite straightforward what we are seeing right now. We have a small chance of a reversal right here. We touched 21k. That is a very important level. However, Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. We are seeing the majority trying to short right now, which is also quite interesting. In an uptrend, negative funding rates most of the time is fuel for more upside. And we can confirm that with either the S&P 500 and the Dixie. The US dollar Tether chart is already showing us that, yeah, there might be some more upside to come. So guys, this is basically what I'm watching. Of course, that potential upside will be invalidated the moment we lose that support level, and then we most likely see a little bit of a correction in Bitcoin. Guys, that was it for today's video. I want to thank every single one of you for all the birthday wishes I got yesterday. I got so many of them, and that really made my day. So happy to read all of them. I want to give just a like for you guys for all those birthday wishes. Just amazing. And yeah, like I said, it really made my day. And maybe you don't realize it all the time, but like the engagement I get from you, the comments I see in the comment section, they really motivate me to create better videos, and they really provide energy for me to wake up every single day in the morning, to do my analysis, to create a video, to be here for you guys, to work on Will Portal, to do all of these things, you know. So yeah, I think I just want to make sure that every single one of you knows that you are very much appreciated by me for everything. Watching the videos, dropping a like, leaving a comment is just it's just very much appreciated. Thank you for that, and a big thumbs up to every single one of you. Guys, I want to wish you all a great day today. Of course, just want to mention, if you don't follow Will Portal on YouTube, I have a link to the Will Portal YouTube channel down below. Watch those videos, educate yourself how to use Will Portal. We got so many big plans with this website, guys, and it will help so much people to really get a financial independence, to be able to step out of the matrix, because that is our goal. We want to give everybody a tool which they can use to get out of the matrix. With the matrix, we mean just the 9-to-5 job, which you don't like, which you just do to pay the bills, right? There has to be a way out for a lot of people. I want to provide that with Will Portal. But yeah, it does take knowledge to use it. So that's why it's important. You gotta subscribe to that YouTube channel from Will Portal. You gotta watch all those videos. We are also writing right now some papers which will explain the charts right here, because of course you need knowledge. You cannot just dive in and be a profitable trader. You need knowledge, you need experience. That's why investing time is just so much important. But yeah, I would just highly recommend you to watch those videos. It's free education. Follow Will Portal over on Twitter, also important. All of these links are down below. If you want to get an extra future later on Will Portal, which we are building right now, that future will only be possible for people and traders who are trading under our affiliate links. So you gotta sign up on Bybit or PrimeXBT or BitGet. Then you, with one of our affiliate links down below this video, with your user ID, later on you will be able to get into a group where you will get alerts for trading. So we are working right now on that, but that's only for active traders under our affiliate. So if you just sign up, that is yeah, that's basically not an active trader. We want to have a small community, but a strong community of active traders who are trading on the affiliates of Will Portal. They will get these extra services. But if you don't want that, that's also fine. We also want to provide a free server, so we have all this data which will be for free and ever always will be for free. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Wish you all an awesome day today and hope to see every single one of you in the next video.